Why does your scanner show the P0526 engine code? What does it mean? P0526 is a diagnostic trouble code for cooling fan speed sensor circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM detected an issue with the cooling fan's speed sensor or its related wiring and components. Include a failing fan speed sensor, problems with the fan clutch. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty cooling fan or fan clutch, damaged wiring or connectors, failed cooling fan speed sensor, blown fuse or faulty relay, powertrain control module PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in GM models like the Chevy Trailblazer and GMC Envoy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.